Hi guys, I'm back with another video after a long time, but today I'm going to make some carrot and sweet potato soup. So I've just got some one large white onion, half a red pepper, half a orange pepper, garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, and I've got some carrots, sweet potato and some oil. Just adding in some oil in the pan and adding in the garlic. I've got about 3 cloves of garlic here. Once the garlic has cooked, I add in my onions and just give that a mix. Make sure you don't cook the garlic too much, otherwise the taste will go bitter. And then just add in your peppers. I've got half a red pepper and half an orange pepper. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay guys, I know it looks really dark because of the pepper, but trust me, you're gonna need this much. Once it's cooked anyway, it will look better, but I know it just looks really dark, but once it's blended and everything, all the veggies are added, it'll be fine. So I'm just adding in my sweet potatoes here and the chopped carrots, and just give that a good mix. And if you want your soup to be done quicker, just cut your veggies smaller, and that will help it cook like really fast, so you'll get soup in like 15 minutes. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to add the stock cubes in the ingredients in the start, but yeah, so just add 2 chicken stock cubes or veggie stock cubes, whatever, and add it to 800 ml of water. I used boiling water so that my soup cooks quicker, and then you just let it cook for a little while and just give it mixes in between. I'm just using the Breville hand blender here. I'm not sure if they still sell this one, we got it a while ago, but I'll link it below anyway, or something similar. But just blend it all up and then just make it into a smooth soup. Yeah, so some people like it a bit more chunky, just don't blitz it as much as I did, but I prefer it's nice and smooth like this. I usually pair it with a bit of brown pita bread. It's these ones I've got from Asda. But yeah, it's a nice soup for winter time. It's a quick and easy soup for if you just want to have a detox. But yeah, you can add chili flakes if you want. But yeah, if you guys do try it out, let me know how it comes out, and I'll see you in the next video.